How to fix Blox Fruits not loading. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about the Blox Fruits not loading, and here's how you can fix it. First of all, you need to go ahead and restart the game. Close Roblox completely and open Roblox and start Blox Fruits again. Then check your internet. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working well and restart your router or switch to a different network. On your phone, you can also turn airplane mode on or off and then reopen Roblox and then change servers. The server you're on might have problems or be full. So join a different server or use a private server if you have one. And clear the Roblox cache. If you're using PC, do this if the game freezes or won't load. Press Windows plus R and then type in %local app data %/Roblox. Delete the versions and log folders, and your account info is safe. Now restart the Roblox. An old version of Roblox can also stop games from loading. So on PC, restart the Roblox to update it, and on your phone, check for updates in the App Store. Also disable the browser extensions. If you're playing Roblox in a browser, turn off the ad blockers or extensions like Stylus or Temper Monkey. They might interfere with the game. Now try using a different device or browser. Use another device like switching from PC to phone and browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. And that's it. These steps usually fix the problem, and once you're back in the game, you can have fun. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.